What would Jesus do? I think sometimes it's easy to boil down Jesus to a simple question or a cute phrase like, what would Jesus do? But when we do that, we don't get the whole picture. Oftentimes, we kind of make Jesus out to be just the nicest guy in the world, that he's the quintessential nice guy, the buddy Christ. You know, Jesus wants to hang out with you. He wants to be your friend. He does really nice things for you. My vision of who Jesus is bigger than that. The God I know is better than that. And I think when we're honest, we can't really answer the question, what would Jesus do? Because Jesus does things that always surprise people. I mean, he hangs out with people who are sinners, people who no one else wants to hang out with, even with prostitutes. He does things like flip over tables. He touches lepers to heal them by reaching out and touching their skin, which was falling off. Leprosy was a death sentence, and he touches them to heal them. The reality is, if you know Jesus, you can't really answer the question, what would Jesus do? Because he surprises us. This Lent, I want to invite you to experience Jesus in a new way, to be a part of something that's really big and really exciting, the Share Jesus Project. This February, beginning Ash Wednesday, we'll be releasing a 2 to 3 minute video every day with some of the most engaging, dynamic Catholic speakers from across the United States. So if you go to redeemedonline.com and sign up, and you'll get an email each day of Lent with a video, a great video for you to really understand and experience who Jesus is, which will enable you to be a part of this exciting social media experience.